present your bodies a living sacrifice. We know as brothers and sisters in Christ, we know that like our spirit man dwells inside this body. So, and while we're in this, while our spirit man is in this body, we're only getting one body while we live here, right? So, if the Spirit of God, our spirit man, which is connected to the Spirit of God, we're of God, made in His image, is in this body. We want to treat our bodies right. Then when we offering up our bodies as a living sacrifice unto God, are we going to give our physical bodies like just any old way to God? Like, we can do whatever. We don't need to clean it. We can put anything in it that, whatever, just for the sake that we can. Like, I can eat anything I want to because I can. I can do whatever it is that I want to because I can. I can get tattooed all up. I can get piercing all up. I can do whatever. And I'm not saying that, like, and I'm not coming against anybody right now that has, all this stuff, whatever. But it's just gonna have to come a point where, like, people have to grow up, in the spirit. You're already grown, but you got to grow up in the spirit and really ask yourself, how is this representing God? How am I displaying the glory of God with the decisions that I make with my body, what I eat, how I talk? Just because a lot of times now people, even when it comes down to adorning their outward appearance, people are doing whatever it is that they want to do just because it don't have nothing to do with God. But God, the word says that everything that we ought to glorify God in everything. But this society, people have just unknowingly and knowingly just adapted to the society's way of doing things. Going out and for the women, putting on all this makeup and fixing your body and stuff like that, just for the sake of, well, it's the trend, and that's what everybody's doing. It's cute and everything. Pretty. Did we mess up?